Hello, my name is Diana Daniels. I am the CEO and founder of TinkerLink, a social marketplace helping communities to get a job and get paid. Our referral-based app helps you to search, find, and connect with trustworthy experts that are recommended by people that you already know. And what happened was that over 3 years ago, my grandma went very ill, and it was super difficult to find somebody that can take care of her. You know, how do you give the keys of your house to your loved one? So this is the main driver that helped me to create TinkerLink. But as we start digging deeper on this, we realized that most of the people that actually work in this type of jobs, they are part of the informal economy. 60% of the population in the world work in the informal economy, which means that they are paid by cash. They don't have access to any pension plans or loans or mortgages. And these are the drivers, the cleaners, the gardeners, the nannies, the take care givers that are helping us in our house or in our small companies. And these are the people that actually you give the keys to your home to help you, but you're leaving them out of the financial system. And even today, thanks to COVID, more than 100 million people were actually going to be out of a job. And most likely they will resource from the informal economy to make any kind of living. So we launched TinkerLink 24 months ago. We are already over 100,000 users. We are creating over 1,000 jobs. We are making over 20,000 connections since the moment we created. We truly believe that our users can become active users in the mobile economy. We do believe that we're giving all the power back to the users with the opportunity to change their life stories and get back that power of their destiny. And I cannot do this alone. I need the help and support with partners such as the Elevate Prize. And hopefully you can help me amplify the message and reach out our scope so we can make it better. Join me, could you? Thank you.